Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Blockies Transformers Galaxy version 06 Parallel Universe. Very cool box art design. Very shiny, glossy. Tapos meron pa mga holographic na mga sections dito. Galaxy version. Tsaka yung outline sa images, rendered images ni Optimus Prime and Megatron. Okay, so yung box art niya nakaganito. Super cool. I think 400 isang box sa Philbars or sa local toy stores. So dito sa set na to, pwede niyo makuha si Orion Pax. IOW Orion Pax. Hidden Style. Ito yung chase figure or yung rare. Optimus Prime, Megatron, Swoop, alternate mode, Swoop. Ito yung robot version. And then you have Sunstreaker, Wheeljack, Kickback, Dirge, and SG Ratchet. So sa each box contains ito yung manual, and trabuksan natin yung manual. Okay, nandito kasi lahat ng instructions kung paano mo siya bubuin. Kunwari, in this case, si Wheeljack, ito yung mga joints, ito yung mga parts, instructions, tapos ito yung completed na figure. Okay? Tapos nakalagay dito, Blockies Transformers Galaxy version 06. And then you also have profile cards. You have Wheeljack, Optimus Prime, Kickback, Ratchet, Megatron, Dirge, Swoop, and Sunstreaker. Okay, so meron tayong mga profile cards. And you also have the stand. Yung stand para kay Swoop na alt version, meron siyang pole para pwede nyo siyang i-mount dito. Okay, pero yung normal na stand, ganito lang. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Octagon na stand or base pala na pwede nyo ipagkabit or interlock para pwede mo siyang i-display na magkakatabi. Okay, so overview muna. We have Optimus Prime, front and back. Megatron, front and back. This one, kailangan. Mga ba to? Wheeljack. This is Wheeljack. Okay. 260. Very quick na muna overall na 360 na movement natin. Sunstreaker. Okay, front and back. This is Swoop alt version. This is Swoop na robot version. Okay. And we also have this. I think this is Dirge. Yeah, Dirge. This is Dirge. Great. Ganda. Tapos, ito naman si Kickback. Okay, we have Kickback. And finally, we have Ratchet. Okay, so unahin na natin si Optimus Prime. These figures are fully articulated. Ball joint yung mga connections niya. So, maganda yung range of movement. Mataas yung range of articulation nito. Lalong-lalo na dito sa shoulders, you can move up and down. Pero the plastic quality is very nice. Hard plastic yung ginamit, and yung colors naman, it's very cool. Wala naman siya mga defects or oversprays. Paint job is nice. Very cool items. Meron din mga accessories yung set. Meron din siya mga translucent effect parts na pwede mong i-attach dun sa mga guns. Okay, something like this. Okay. Kunwari meron siyang guns. Ayan, pwede mo siyang lagay dito. Ang maganda dito sa Blockies, pare-pareho yung kanya mga slots. So you can make your own robot design. Kunwari dito kay Megatron, pull out the arm of Optimus Prime. Pwede mong i-attach dito yung arm ni Megatron. So I think pwede kang mag-customize ng sarili mong Blockies na action figure or collectible. There you go. Yung height nga pala nito, around 4 inches tall. Okay. So ayan, kabit natin yung original na kamay. This one. So you can mix and match para makapag-compose kayo ng mga custom na Blockies na collectibles or custom na action figures. So yung playability level nito very high. Very nice for the kids too. Wala namang mga sharp edges. I think kung meron man, konti lang. Smaller din yung size nito, so you can put it sa mga desktop, sa I think sa loob ng PC pwede rin. Kung Transformers or mahilig talaga kayo sa Transformers, you can also put this inside your on top of the desk, office displays, pwede. Kasi maliit lang yung size niya. Since this is a parallel universe na mech designs, these are very very cool na mga redesigns sa mga Transformers na characters. Okay, for Optimus Prime, meron siyang mga railed, some type of guns na naka-attach dito sa shoulder na armor here. Tapos meron pa mga mounted guns dito sa kanyang arm. Also have the big cannon, very large feet for stability. Cool na chest designs. Parang may mga vents pa dito sa kanyang chest. Okay? Meron din guns na nakamount dito sa kanyang arm. Okay? And sa back, parang full armor type siya. Okay, dito naman. Tapos yung color scheme niya, red, light gray, blue, and silver. Color scheme naman ni Megatron, gray, red, and gunmetal gray. Ano pa ba? And light gray. Ganda rin ng line art dito sa sa chest ni Megatron. How did they do that? I think transfer siya kasi medyo very fine yung gawa dito. Ganda ng paint job. This one is glossy. Yung mga parts na to glossy. Pero yung kanyang every other part of the collectible is matte. Ay Megatron naman, meron siyang malaking cannon dito sa kanyang right arm. Very cool suit or mech design. Sa likod meron siyang mga, I think parang some sort of gray na mga segments dito. I think, di ko alam kung bullets ba to or some kind of cartridges. Meron ding cannon dito sa likod, some kind of booster, large feet for stability rin. Very nice. Red eyes, cool head design. Ito naman, punta tayo kay Wheeljacks. Ganda ng head design nito. Meron siyang tatlong segments or rectangular segments dito sa kanya ulo, ears. Tapos meron din siyang mounted na gun dito sa kanya right shoulder. You have the very cool chest piece here na meron pang windshield. Ang ganda rin ng color scheme niya. White, red, light blue, and gray. Very cool gray. And meron din mga green for color separation. You also have the movable wings here. Okay. Dito naman kay Swoop na alt version. Parang siyang pterodactyl type of vehicle or animal. Meron siyang large wingspan. And then you also have the booster type. Ito yung attachment dun sa base. So you can do something like this. Okay. Pwede siyang, yan, something like that. I think pwede rin dito sa, saan pa ba? I think, ito lang. Ito yung kanyang, display stand. Ganda lang ng feature na to kasi para ma-post mo siya ng lumilipad siya. Okay, articulated din tong wings. Super nice. Okay. Dapat pala in-articulate ko na rin sila lahat. Okay, based dito sa articulation, hindi siya pwedeng ma-move ng 360. Kabit natin nalilimit yung movement ng kanyang head. Pwede pala 360. Okay. Tapos arms can rotate outward. Okay. Elbows can also bend more than 90 degrees. Rotation sa waist, kick that far. Knee more than 90 degrees, and ball joint yung pa. So yun yung basic, yun yung articulation niya ni Blockies. Halos lahat ball joint. So ganun din dito sa ulo. Yan, grabe yung look up nito. You can look up like that, straight to the sky. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-post ng ganyan. Tapos meron ding movement yung kanyang wings, and yung feet can also stretch that far sa likod. Okay? Very nice yung mga build, very fun yung build time ito. Super cool. Madali lang. Meron namang mga instructions. Okay? Meron din pala mga rocket dito. Articulated din to mga rocket na to. Okay. And then, Sunstreaker. Color palette niya yellow and gray. Very nice chest design. You have the silver piece here. Very cool. Some sort of booster. Meron din siyang extra gun. Same level of articulation kay Optimus Prime. Head. Very cool. Ears. Pointed ears. Okay. And blue eyes. Next, dito ay, ano ba to? Kickback. Ganda ng translucent na mga wings. Okay. Ball joint naman siya, so you can move it around any way you want. Meron din siyang type of antenna. Parang insect. Okay. Very cool na mga shoulder armor. Para siyang merong fan sa shoulder armor niya. Chest piece yellow. Tapos meron din siyang gun. Okay, you can also articulate this same level of articulation katulad ng kay Optimus Prime. And ano ba sa likod? Okay. I think kasama to sa kanya. So, meron din siya attached accessory na beetle. Stig nito. Paint quality is very good. You have purple, yellow, and light gray, and also dark gray. Okay. Tapos yung kanyang visor is color red. Next, we have Dirge. Si Dirge naman, pointed yung head, boosters here, gold wings, blue body, blue and gunmetal na body. Tapos meron siyang cockpit dito sa chest. Ganda. Meron ding side mounted na mga weapons. Tapos next naman, meron tayong Ratchet. Meron siyang chart dito sa chest. And same level of articulation sa mga blockies. Mga overspray lang dito sa part na to. Very nice color scheme. Teal, white, and purple. Nice. And gray sa kamay. Ganda ng pattern dito sa kanyang legs. Okay. Tapos next naman meron tayong swoop. Meron ding articulation sa kanyang chest. Red na head design, helmet design. Pwede rin ma-articulate yung wings niya. Also yung arms. Meron din siyang mga guns. And also glossy yung part na to sa chest, sa legs, and dito. Ganda ng detail na to. Yung kneecaps niya. Yun yung feet nito ni Swoop Pag Alt Mode. And then you have very large feet again for stability. Tumatayo naman sila kahit wala yung mga base. Okay? So that's it mga moms. So yun yung ilan ba to? 9? Yeah, 9. We have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have 9 na mga collectibles from the Blockies Galaxy version Parallel Universe 06. Ano mga favorite ko? Favorite ko si Megatron. Sunod si Optimus Prime. Super cool designs. Gusto ko yung line art. And i-customize natin to sa next couple of sessions natin. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye!